So here, I knocked off the top, which is a 280 level. I may keep a little bit of it back here, but for now, I just placed the wall right over here to understand the slope and what's going on, and I can understand it on both sides. Let's go to the side so you can see where I placed the wall. So I placed the wall on the edge of where I'm going to place the road. The road is going to be approximately over here. So what I like to do is actually create a pad within that zone. So I'm going to actually go massing, building pad, and I'm just going to draw a building pad approximately 10 feet, and I'm just going to make that building pad right now the same size as this, and I can make a different size, different height eventually later. So, and I would like it to be on my building pad to on my 5th floor, and I can just make it 0. So 5th floor 0. I can always come back and change if I made a mistake. This cross section is going to tell me what's going on with my pad, so I'm just going to go through the cross section. I believe it's number 2. That's where my pad is. And then I say, no, I would like my pad to actually be moved. I'm just going to move it down to here. Here you can see how I'm actually carving through the earth. I'm going to move it again from here to here. All right, so that's essentially my pad, where my pad is going to be. And I can stretch it a little bit longer, and then we'll see what's going on. All right, so now I'm going to place my road over here. Road has some slope. Let's go over the slopes for the road. I'm just going to sketch using my red lines. So here's my red construction lines. Right up here, I'm going to draw some road. So if it's handicap ramp or a parking garage where you have actually cars sitting on it, you have 12 feet going over, up 1 foot, and then that's your slope. So that's the slope for a handicap ramp as well as a parking garage where you actually park for it. But we really are not doing this. We're doing actually much steeper. So I'm going to go another foot and then connect. So this is 16 degree, which means you can actually go a little bit taller. Now I'm going to go another 1 foot, and I'm just going to connect it here. So that starts to get much steeper, and so it becomes a slope of 3 feet up, 12 feet over, 3 to 12 slope. So I think this is a reasonable slope for this type of house over 1 acre. It's quite steep, so you have to be very careful with that. So I'm going to get that slope, and I'm going to copy it from that junction, and I'm going to place it right over here. Then I'm going to draw a line from the top of my pad straight over, and I'm just simply going to chamfer this piece with that. Here we go. Oops, backwards. Chamfer this with this. There we go. So that's essentially my road. Now I'm going to compose my road. So I already have my north-south model line, so I'm just going to go right over here and just make it with a wall. That's perfectly okay. I'm just going to compose a massing, extrude it from reference plane north-south is fine. I've made it right along the line of my pad. So here we go, and back. All right, I would like to go about 10 feet, check it, and check it. Let's go to the site and check it out, see where actually it happened, where it went. So it went to the wrong location. It's okay, we can just yank it to here and yank it to the side of my wall. Now as you get your act together, so if I pick this up, I can actually yank it so it goes to this side of the wall. Perfect, okay? So now I'm going to look at it. You can see where my road went, and that's basically what I did to land up here with the road. So this is a quick way of composing road in a study manner.